Hello, Breckinridge County. It's so great to be back with you today with some very exciting news for our school district and community. I'm here to tell you that we are prepared to start back to in-person instruction on September the 28th in the school district. So I'm going to go through a few points with you in this video and hopefully be able to answer a few questions for you. First, talking about in-person instruction, it will begin on an A-B schedule on September the 28th, 2020 for grades P through 12. Now, our A-B schedule will run on a Monday through Thursday system. So the student A group will attend school on Mondays and Tuesdays, and student B groups will attend school on Wednesday and Thursdays, and no students will attend on Fridays. Students during this process, during this time frame, they'll continue to work through the school district's remote learning program each day of the week. Students will receive help from their teachers on their remote learning assignments on the days that they are assigned to attend school each week. So again, the remote learning platform will continue 5 days a week, but the difference is our children will be able to come back to school for at least 2 days each week and receive help, receive lessons, and things like that from our school teachers. So we're very excited to get back started in this process starting on September the 28th. Remote learning and internet access is another area that I'd like to touch on. Our students will need to continue working on their technology device while at home during this process. So our students that are assigned to A group, they'll be in school on Mondays and Tuesdays, and then on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, they'll be working through the remote learning program at home. Students with internet access issues will be able to upload needed remote learning materials on their technology device at least 2 days each week while at school. Feel free to reach out to your child's school if you have any questions about how this will work. Another area that I'd like to touch on is students opting not to attend in-person classes. We fully understand and respect that some parents and guardians still might not be comfortable with their children attending in-person classes. If that's the case, they'll just need to contact their school and let them know. These students will continue to work with the school district's remote learning program each day instead of attending in-person classes. Another area is the importance of students staying home when sick or waiting for a COVID-19 test result. Students will need to stay home and complete remote learning for the following reasons. If they're not feeling well, if they're waiting for a COVID-19 test result, if a member of the household is not feeling well and waiting for a COVID-19 test result, or if the student or family travels to a state that's on the advisory list in the state of Kentucky, for the state of Kentucky right now. And those students will, when they get back from traveling in that state, they'll complete a 14-day remote learning program at home. All right, folks. Now, what I'd like to do is talk with everyone about decision making that will be used during the process of once we return back to in-person instruction on September the 28th. So what you can see right now is our school district website. And so I want to be very transparent about how we're going to be using the data to make these very important decisions. So if you visit our school district website, you will notice that up in this top bar here, there's a tab called BC COVID-19 Data Dashboard. And whenever you open that up, it's going to take you to our data dashboard. Now, this is going to be a little bit of a process, so everyone kind of stay with me here. But you'll notice that currently, as of yesterday, we have 21 current active COVID-19 cases in Breckinridge County. And we will be updating this daily. Mr. Scott Shrewsbury at the Breckinridge County Health Department's been very gracious. He can get me this information in the evenings, and then we can update either in the evening or first thing the next morning. So you'll see that you're going to be able, as a parent, guardian, or community member, you'll be able to check out our website and this link, and you'll be able to see each day, and you'll notice that you can see the number of current cases in Breckinridge County, the number of current cases in Breckinridge County schools, our number of quarantined on-leave staff at the time, and the number of quarantined in-person students, and then also our KDPH incidence rate level, which could be anywhere from green to yellow to orange to red. And then this over here, we're calling our school decision index rating, and we'll just call it SDIR. And so first, let me show you what goes into that. So our school decision index, our SDI, you'll see we have a formula here where we're looking at our active cases in the county minus our active cases in the district. That's our X. Our Y is our active cases in the district. And our Z is the number of school district employees in quarantine only. And then we are using the KDPH incident rate level as well. And so currently Breckinridge County is in the yellow, so the multiplier there is 1.0. Now, once that equation is tabulated, you'll see that we will have a number. When you scroll down, you can pay close attention. We have a chart with a bar graph, and we're going to be updating this every day so that everyone can take a look and see where we're trending. And you'll see that on after Monday, this past Monday, September 14th, we were at a 3.8 and we were in the yellow. After yesterday, we were up to a 4.2 and we moved into the orange. The thing to watch with this is when we move into that red area. When we're in the red area, there's some things that we will be considering as a district. We'll be looking at, do we need to stay in person or do we need to back up and maybe take a week of remote learning at home? And there's a lot of things to consider there. It's not, I don't want you to then think that once we go into the red, we're automatically going to close. But I do want you to know that if we get into the red, we're going to be considering some different options, and that is something that will be on the table. Also, if there's a directive from the Department of Public Health, then we would certainly follow that directive. And then in the event of an intermittent closure, Breckinridge County Schools will consider resuming in-person instruction when the criteria changes. But this is going to be updated on a daily basis, so you'll be able to take a look at it and check it out. And also, too, if you have questions about this, feel free to give me a call here at the board office, and I'll be happy to explain it to you in depth. Again, you're going to be able to find that by going to our school district website. You can click on our BC COVID-19 data dashboard link to find that. And another really helpful tool for you will be this return to school roadmap. And I want to encourage you to check that out as well. When you click on that, it's going to take you to this page. You can see our data dashboard from this page. But also, I know a lot of folks are going to say, well, now what schedule is my child on? And that's a great question. You're going to be able to click on Relaunch Breckinridge Schedules. And once you click on that, you'll see where we're saying no in-person classes till Monday, September 28th, but just under it, it says AB schedule beginning September 28th. You can click on that and you can start to see, and I'm not going to go through this entirely. You can see where we have all of our schools located in these tabs, and you can see what roster your child is in. And again, we realize that there might be some questions. Once you access this, feel free to reach out to your child's school, and they will help you work through those issues. Again, I know this is a lot, so communication's key. And if you do have questions, make sure and let us know. I've went over a lot of information with you in this video, and so I completely understand. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out to your child's school and ask questions about AB, about continuing to work through the remote learning program while on AB. We understand that this is a lot, but communication is the key. Also, I want to welcome you and encourage you to call and talk with me if you'd like. The phone number to the Board of Education is 270-756-3000. I'll be happy to listen and talk with you and also help connect you with your child's school to help work out any questions that you might have about how this is going to work with your child and your child's school. This is exciting news. We're very excited in the district to get back to some form of in-person instruction, and hopefully after doing this for a few weeks, we'll be able to monitor our COVID-19 numbers throughout the district, and hopefully we'll be ready to start transitioning back to 5 days a week and a full schedule soon. I hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone continues to do well, and let's stay strong, Breckinridge.